Hey everyone, John from Huron Speed here. We're going to do the second giveaway now in the 1920 truck group purchase kit sale. This second giveaway is for the Black Series Intercooler Upgrade, and it is for the first 35 people that entered the sale. So we're going to do this the same way we did the last one. Everyone gets a number. Your number corresponds with when you placed your deposit. So the first person to enter will be number 1, and so on down to 35. So this giveaway is for the Black Series Intercooler. It's going to be pretty similar to the style you see here to fit the truck kit. It'll be a 4-inch thick version. The 6-inch unfortunately requires a bit of excessive trimming to fit on the trucks, but the 4-inch will look very similar to that with the air guides built into the end tanks and all that good stuff. So I have a different style out here on the floor. What I'm going to do is we're going to throw all these tennis balls in this box here, and I'm going to dump them out on the floor. Whichever one is closest to any part on that intercooler will be the winner. And right now, actually, I apologize for the delay in getting this drawing done. I'm going to do the next one right after it because we're already at, as of this morning, we're at 50 entrants. So after this, I'll do the giveaway for the first 45 in the eBoost 2 controller. And one more entrant, and everyone gets another price break in that 51. So here we go. Dump these out. Whichever one's closest to that intercooler on the ground there will be the winner. Good luck. Looks like got one touching here. All right, so this one is the winner, actually touching number 20. Let's go match them up here. The invoices. 20. All right, number 20, someone entered an 03 to 07 kit. Looks like that is Caleb Cole. So congratulations, Caleb. You are the winner of the Black Series Intercooler Upgrade. I will get with you and we will ship that with your kit. And stay tuned. I'll do the next drawing right after this. Thanks.